स्टूडेंट पीयूष माथुर ने कमेंट से इस चैप्टर की मांग किए थे।
Hey everyone! Welcome to Power Brain TV. Subscribe for more videos and get faster notification of the video. Please like, subscribe, comment and share. Anupam Social Science Class 8 History Chapter 9E Challenging the Caste System. Questions and Answers. Exercise I. Multiple choice questions. Tick check mark the correct answer. 1. Who founded the Ramakrishna Mission? A. Rabindranath Tagore. B. Keshav Chandra Sen. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. Answer C. Swami Vivekanand. 2. Whose ideas were compiled in book Satya Shodhi? A. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. B. Jyotiba Phule. C. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. D. Mahadev Govind Ranade. Answer B. Jyotiba Phule. 3. Who wrote the book named Gulamgiri? A. Jyotiba Phule. B. Raja Ram Mohan Roy. C. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. D. Ramabai Ranade. Answer A. Jyotiba Phule. 4. Who among the following was known as Lokhitwadi? A. Jyotiba Phule. B. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. C. Swami Vivekanand. D. Mahadev Govind Ranade. Answer B. Gopal Hari Deshmukh. 5. Which social reformer wrote the novel named Rajashekhara Charita? A. Kandukuri Vyazalingam. B. Sri Narayana Guru. C. A. V. Ramaswamy Nikkar. D. Jyotiba Phule. Answer A. Kandukuri Vyazalingam. 6. Who among the following established temples in which no idols of gods and goddesses were kept? A. Sri Narayana Guru. B. A. V. Ramaswamy Nikkar. C. Kandukuri Vyazalingam. D. Jyotiba Phule. Answer A. Sri Narayana Guru. 7. Who founded the self-respect movement? A. Kandukuri Vyazalingam. B. A. V. Ramaswamy Nikkar. C. Sri Narayana Guru. D. B. R. Ambedkar. Answer B. A. V. Ramaswamy Nikkar. 8. Who started the Bahishkrit Hitakari Sabha? A. Mahatma Gandhi. B. B. R. Ambedkar. C. Sri Narayana Guru. D. Kandukuri Vyazalingam. Answer B. B. R. Ambedkar. 2. Fill in the blanks. 1. Jyotiba Phule was born in Satara district of Maharashtra. 2. Kandukuri Vyazalingam heralded a social revolution in Andhra Pradesh. 3. Swami Vivekanand believed that the service of mankind is true service of God. 4. Sri Narayana Guru founded Sri Narayana Dharma Paripalana Yogam. 5. Mahatma Gandhi called the Shudras Harijan. 3. Right, true or false? 1. There were no caste distinctions in ancient India. Answer, false. 2. Jyotiba Phule founded the Satyashodhak Samaj. Answer, true. 3. Rajasekhara Charita, the first Telugu novel, was written by Sri Narayana Guru. Answer, false. 4. Mahatma Gandhi founded the All India Depressed Classes Federation. Answer, false. 5. The weekly magazine Muknayak was started by Mahatma Gandhi. Answer, true. 6. The Indian Constitution declared untouchability illegal. Answer, true. IV. Give short answers to the following questions. 1. Name the prominent reformers of South India. Answer. The reform movements in southern India draws inspiration from the Brahmo Samaj, Arya Samaj and other northern reforms movements. Chengeti Sridharalu Naidu, Narayan Guru, Kandukuri Veerzalingam were the most prominent leader of the reform movements in southern India. 2. Who was Jyotiba Phule? What was his contribution to social reformation? Answer. The main contribution of Jyotiba Phule was to launch the first school for girls from the lower strata of society. He also pioneered the anti-caste movement and promoted education for women. 3. Which organization was founded by A.V. Ramaswamy Nikkar for the benefit of the Dalits? Answer. We can conclude that the self-respect movement was founded by A.V. Ramaswamy Periyar. 4. Who established such temples in which images or idols of gods were not kept? Answer. Sri Narayana Guru established such temples in which images or idols of gods were not kept. 5. Through which magazine did Mahatma Gandhi advocate the cause of the scheduled castes? Answer. Harijan Lit. Children of God, a term coined by Gandhi to refer to Dalits or untouchables, was a weekly magazine founded by Mahatma Gandhi that was published from 1933 to 1955 except for a hiatus during the Quit India movement of the 1940s. 6. Whose efforts led to the abolition of untouchability by the Indian Constitution? Answer. Ambedkar led a movement against untouchability in 1927. Here, he criticized Hindu religious texts for their propagation of untouchability. He worked to ensure the untouchables were allowed to enter religious places as well as draw water from public wells. We answer the following questions. 1. What do you understand by the caste system? Answer. The caste system in India is the paradigmatic ethnographic instance of social classification based on castes. It has its origins in ancient India, and was transformed by various ruling elites in medieval, early modern, and modern India, especially the Mughal Empire and the British Raj. 2. What is meant by untouchability? Why is it called inhuman? Answer. Untouchability was an inhuman and unjust custom. It was finally abolished in the year 1955. It was the practice in which the upper caste people considered the lower caste people as contaminated and polluted things. They maintained distance from them, and lower caste people were not given equal social status. 3. Who was Sri Narayana Guru? Explain his role in the upliftment of the classes called untouchables. Answer. Sri Narayana Guru IPA Enaj Guru, the 20th of August 1856 to the 20th of September 1928, was a philosopher, spiritual leader and social reformer in India. He led a reform movement against the injustice in the caste-ridden society of Kerala in order to promote spiritual enlightenment and social equality. 4. Who was Kandukuri Veerasalingam? Discuss his efforts for the upliftment of the oppressed and the downtrodden. Answer. Kandukuri Veerasalingam was a born crusader against social evils. As a social reformer, he stirred public conscience for the improvement of women's status, uplift of Harijan, and the removal of various social taboos. A man of action and firm determination, he heralded a social revolution in Andhra. 5. What did A.V. Ramaswamy Nikkar do for the upliftment of the Dalits? Answer. The self-respect movement was a vigorous civic movement intended for demolishing the modern Hindu social injunction, which allocated people established on their caste and religion. It was begun by A.V. Ramaswamy in 1925 in Tamil Nadu. Its major purposes were smashing the Brahminical hegemony. 6. Discuss Mahatma Gandhi's contribution to the removal of untouchability. Answer. In 1932, Gandhi founded the Harijan Sevak Sangh as part of his efforts to eradicate the concept of untouchability from India's caste system. He advocated positive means for the uplift of Harijan. He addressed various public meetings reposing doctrines of Harijan welfare. 7. What did Dr. B.R. Ambedkar want to prove by means of the temple entry movement? Answer. In 1927, Ambedkar started a temple entry movement, in which his Maha-caste followers participated. Brahman priests were outraged when the Dalits used water from the temple tank. His aim was to make everyone see the power of caste prejudices within society. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Keep watching with Power Brain TV.